Hi guys, Linda here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this very amazing apartment. Houses here has this really nice setup, and they're like twin houses, and it's in an estate. It's called The Address, which is very posh. It's somewhere around the Lekki, ILASAN area, and these houses here are for sale. It's a 5-bedroom duplex, I think 5-bedroom house, 5-bedroom houses, and the price is 130 million naira. So I'm going to be showing you what this house looks like in this video, and you share your thoughts with me, what you think about this house, if it's worth it. But right now I'm just going to be showing you around the estate, and I'll also show you the interior of the house. Papa is in charge. Are you kidding me? He has swimming pool. Yeah, I think I see the gym from the front side. When I pass this front road, I see the gym. But how do they manage the gym with everybody that stays here? It's not everybody that will go to the gym now, it's true. So apart from the rent, apart from the buying the house, is there still service charge for that gym?
No. Everything
is together.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is house 27 here. Pretty nice. The house is big. Wow. Look at the POP. Wow. This is nice. Wow. So here, this is visitor's toilet here. I like the fact that they used very quality materials like this. This is very modern. The button there. Man, this is really nice. My mom is going to like this. Look at the kitchen. Look at the kitchen. Come on. This is really nice. And they've already put a microwave and cooker for you. It's really nice one. Come on. And the ventilation. The windows is very big, so you won't be saying you're hot inside. Heat will not be a problem. And then double sink. Okay, they did probably not on the water. Oh, okay.
So it's clean water, let me say that.
Oh, wow. That's nice. Wow. And the water is clean.
So this is the water and this is the heater.
Oh, okay. So more cabinets all the way down here. Yeah, cabinet here. Here's the gas cooker. It's inbuilt. This is really nice. Sorry. Yeah. With burner, okay. It's really nice. Wow.
That's BQ, Papa.
Oh, it has a BQ. What is here? The store? What is here? Like a washing machine. Wow. Okay. This area here is like a kitchen storage area. This is nice. What of this door? Where does this door lead to? Okay, for the BQ and car park. Okay. Wow, this place is really nice. Man. This is really nice. Wow. All this step. Wow. Oh my god. So this is a bedroom.
No, this is living room.
A living room. Wow. And the size of the room is nice. So it also has POP here. And this is the toilet. Nice. Yeah, shower system here. It's really nice. Water heater. Sitting room. And is this the master's bedroom?
No.
It's not. Okay. And this second toilets for the second room. Toilet and bathroom. Yeah. This is the room here. I like the fact that the window is actually very wide. That's has broken. I have to change it. Wow. Wide windows, so air will really come in. And then the wardrobe is wide. And this is a full mirror here. This is a full mirror. I like this place. Come on, look at the wardrobe. Wardrobe is very big. And I think it's the same thing over on the other side too. And it's just easy to swing this guy. Oh. Come on. Guys, so this is the master's bedroom here. And there's a living room up here for the master's bedroom. Then look at the cabinet area. Like the cabinet area is very, oh my god. Guys, this is a bathroom. Very nice jacuzzi. And toilets here. Wow. Wow. Nice. This is really nice. But why didn't you cover up this place?
No, cover this one.
Okay.
This is the cover.
Oh, okay, fell off. Okay. Water heater. Wow. Oh man, this wardrobe is mad. Very long. Oh boy, this is really nice. Wardrobe from here to there. God. Man. Wow. You can just put your shoes here. Wow. Then you have a mirror here. You can use to look at yourself. So nice. But man, I like this arc here. How the way this shape is. Look at this. And this is the bedroom. You literally be looking up here. And the lights. Come on. Wow. And in the room, the stairs. Taking you upstairs to a sitting room again. Come on, this house is mad. Is that like a bar or another room again? This is another room.
This is the room for the master.
Eh?
This is the master living room. This one.
This is the master living room. But is this one a wardrobe or something?
Yeah, the wardrobe for the
okay, it's true. There's no wardrobe downstairs. So this place, you can just put all your clothes. You can even do like your shoes. Wow, this is really nice. Yeah, it's true. And it even has a balcony. And they finished work here. Wow, guys, the air coming in here is just crazy. So the view is not nice. This swamp, abandoned land. Yeah? Now they need to sample a whole lot. Now so they sample for here too. Wow. No, swampy land though. Apart from that, man, the air. Hi. The air coming here. Wow. I just see the road. Yes. Yeah. Wow. Then that's for like air condition. Wow. Tip room for the bedroom. Ah man, this house is crazy. And that's another balcony again here. So this is the, I think this is the fourth bedroom. Yeah. POP is mad. Look at this. Really nice. I like this two-step thing. Wow. And the toilet here. Toilet and bathroom. Good location. Well built. And the wardrobe is just 2-decker wardrobe, which is cool. And I think this is the last bedroom here. The same type of wardrobe in the other one. I'll show you. Same type of wardrobe. Yeah. And this is the bedroom. And the toilet here. And the bathroom here. Wow, I like the glass. I like the glass. It's not that type that when water splash on it, it's not be having that dirty map. Wow. This is really nice. This is really, really nice. And even the nets they used. It's nice. Wow. Oh boy. This is beautiful. So it's a two-story building. It's a 2-story building, 5-bedroom apartment. It's only kitchen, yes. Wow, the other rooms are now upstairs and downstairs. Then this is the second balcony. Wow. This is that Blanco supermarket. Come on. I'm very impressed. This house is amazing. This house is so beautiful. It's a 5-bedroom, 2-story building house. You can go down from here now, right? Yeah, you can go down from here, okay. Oh, you cannot this place, okay. Oh wow, just look at it. Wow. Come on, this house is nice. People that build this place, they really even the engineer that even did the work, the person has brain. This room. Come on. I like it. It's not dark. It's well lit. Air will come in if you open the windows. Oh, this is nice. You can spread your clothes. Okay, this is the BQ here. Let me see the BQ. BQ is not here. So it's more like the house. It's almost like a 6-bedroom. It's more like a 6-bedroom now. Let's say you have visitors, maybe a distant relation or something. I don't want person to stay in your house, and the person stay in BQ. She's nice. Frontage. This is really nice. So just put artificial grass in front. The plants. Come on, this is nice. Those white stones. Come on guys, money is good. And now we're heading over to the swimming pool area and the gym. I think this house here is the gym. So everybody uses this gym here and the swimming pool. So there's like a lounge area, which is the common area for this house. So this is the gym area, games area, I think. It's like this children's swimming pool and adult swimming pool. Man, this house is nice. And it's not so deep, 5.7 feet. It's really nice. Wow. I wish it was wider. It's still nice. The people living here, they're not even enjoying their house, because all of them, they're inside their house. They're not even enjoying the swimming pool and the other areas. If I was living here, this is where you see me sitting down now. Wow. The gym is upstairs, right? It's really nice. Let me pull over here. And nobody's in the gym. Wow. And they have all the machines here for weightlifting, cycling. It is really nice. I can mock up for the person who built this place. The person that built this place did a very amazing job. Like, who would not want to live here? Like, guys, just look at the environment, so quiet and clean. So is there like an arrangement for, did they pay for cleaning the environment and all of that.
They collect everything you see, so we talk to the family.
Oh wow, okay. Oh, everything is just organized here.
Everything.
So, okay. Really nice. Really nice. Environment is really good, guys. So guys, that house I showed you, it's going for 130 million naira. 130 million naira. And man, guys, that house is mad. That house is mad. If I had that 130 million naira right now, I would buy it. In all honesty, I would buy that house because it's really spacious, it's modern, it's really nice, and the location is also on point. Your house is beautiful. Okay guys, if you would like to purchase the house, I'm going to put the phone number of the agent or the owner of the house in the description box, so you could contact them and get your house, collect your house key. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you in my next video. And I can't wait to buy my own house or build my own house. Like, I really want to do that this year.